How to enable auto-scrolling for Instagram Reels. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to auto-scroll on Instagram Reels and what actually works. There's a lot of confusion out there, so let's clear it all up step by step. All right, let's get into it. First, open your Instagram app. Now head over to the Reels section by tapping the play icon at the bottom. Start watching any reel. You might be wondering, can I make Instagram Reels scroll automatically? Here's the truth. Instagram is testing an auto-scroll feature, but it's not available to everyone yet. Here's how to find and use it if it's available on your account. Open a reel. Go to the Reels tab and select any video. Tap the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. Look for an option called Auto Scroll. If you see it, toggle it on. And just like that, Reels will start playing one after another without you having to swipe. If you don't see the Auto Scroll option, it likely means the feature hasn't been rolled out to your account yet, or you need to update your Instagram app. So head to the App Store or Google Play, check for updates, and install the latest version of Instagram to make sure you're not missing anything. Now let's clear up a common myth. Some videos tell you to go into the Settings menu, tap Data Usage or Media Quality, and turn off Data Saver, claiming it enables auto-scroll. But that's not true. It has nothing to do with Reels scrolling behavior. Don't waste your time on that. Finally, you might come across third-party apps that claim to auto-scroll for you. But they're not supported by Instagram and might put your account at risk. So it's best to avoid those for now. And that's it. If you have the auto-scroll feature, enjoy hands-free Reels. If not, hang tight. It may roll out to your account soon.